Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Pydantic AI, N8N, and LangChain, and I will help you to decide which one is better for automation and AI workflows in 2025. So let's start with a brief overview of each apps. So, Pydantic AI focuses on typed agents and schema-based orchestration, while N8N is a powerful open source workflow automation tool with visual flow editing. While LangChain specializes in LLM-driven apps with supports for chaining prompts, memory, and tools into AI agents. So now let's compare them in key areas. Number one, use case focus. You will use Vedantic AI because it is best for developers building Python-based AI logic with validated input or output and agent chaining, while N8N is for general automation, and you can think of it like Zapier alternative, which is to connect apps, webhooks, APIs, and CRMs. And lastly, LangChain targets LLM first applications like RAG systems, agents, and chat apps with memory. Number two, skill requirements. Pedantic AI requires solid Python knowledge, while N8N can be used by non-coders through its visual UI. And LangChain lies in between. It needs Python but has a growing no-code layer. Number three, flexibility and control. Pedantic AI gives maximum type safety, which is great for multi-agent environments, while N8N gives drag and drop control and custom functions, which is ideal for automation. And lastly, LangChain offers powerful LLM integrations and dynamic decision making, but it may require more testing and context management. Number 4, integration ecosystem. N8N wins in integration ecosystem because it has 400 plus integrations, while LongChain integrates with major models, tools, and frameworks like Pinecone, ChromaDB, OpenAI, and Hugging Face, while Pedantic AI currently relies more on custom code than third-party integrations. So, in short, you can choose Pedantic AI for structured agent development, and you can go for N8N if you want a no-code or low-code automation. And lastly, you can pick LangChain if you are building advanced AI tools which are powered by LLMs. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.